Okay, long division. So first we're going to divide these using regular long division that you should have learned back in elementary school. So we're going to have 101,952 inside, 59 on the outside. And first we need to see how many times does 59 go into 101. Well, it goes in one time. 1 times 59 is 59. We subtract that, get 42. Bring down the 9. How many times does 59 go into 429? 7 times. 7 times 59 is 413. Subtract, get 16. Bring down that next number. How many times does 59 go into 165? Twice. 2 times 59 is 118. Subtract, you get 47. Bring down that next number. How many times does 59 go into 472? 8 times. 8 times 59 is 472. Subtract that, you get 0, which means there is no remainder. And then we're done. So 101,952 divided by 59 is 1,728. And our steps to long division, first we divided, then we multiplied, then we subtract, and then we bring down, and then we repeat. And you keep repeating until there's nothing left to bring down. Then we write our remainder as a fraction. Let's do one more example. So how many times does 13 go into 54? 4 times. 4 times 13 is 52. Subtract, get 2, bring down the 6. How many times does 13 go into 26? Twice. 2 times 13 is 26. Subtract, 0, bring down the 7. How many times does 13 go into 7? No times. 0 times 13 is 0. We're left with 7 and nothing left to bring down, so we're just going to write that as a fraction. So it's 420 and 7/13. Okay? And we're going to use that same knowledge, that same concept to divide polynomials. Okay? So if we have x cubed plus 4x squared minus 16x plus 8 divided by x minus 2, we're going to write it the same exact way. And our first step here is to divide. I would write these down for sure somewhere. Okay? Our first step is to divide. And you divide first with first. So I'm going to take the x cubed and divide it by the x squared, because first with first. X cubed divided by x, I think I said x squared before, sorry. But x cubed divided by x is x squared, and that goes on top. Now I'm going to multiply to both terms. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x. Now we're going to subtract, and we're going to change all the signs. So I'm going to change that first one to a subtraction, second one to an addition. X cubed minus x cubed is gone. 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared. Bring down that next term. So 6x squared minus 16x. And now we're going to repeat. So I'm going to divide first with first. 6x squared divided by x is 6x. That goes up top. 6x times x is 6x squared. 6x times negative 2 is negative 12x. Subtract, change those signs. Those cancel. Negative 16 plus 12 is negative 4. Bring down the 8. Now we're repeating again. Divide first with first. So negative 4x divided by x is negative 4. That goes up top. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Subtract, change those signs. That cancels. That cancels. So we're left with 0. Which means there is no remainder, and that is my answer. Okay, let's do one more. So again, divide first with first. So 3x cubed divided by x is 3x squared. Then we're going to multiply. So 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x squared times 4 is 12x squared. Subtract, change those signs. 2x squared minus 12x squared is negative 10x squared. Bring down that negative 37x. Repeat, so divide first with first. Negative 10x squared divided by x is negative 10x. Multiply. Negative 10x times x is negative 10x squared. Negative 10x times 4 is negative 40x. Subtract, change both those signs. Those cancel. Negative 37x plus 40 is 3x. Bring down that 12. Now we're going to divide again. So 3x divided by x is 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract. Those both cancel. And there is no remainder on this one either. So 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 is my answer. Okay? Let's skip examples E through H. Let's go to this one right here. So we have x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus x squared plus 20x minus 10 divided by x squared minus x minus 5. And we're going to do this the same exact way we just did that last one. Okay, so we're going to divide first with first. So x to the fourth divided by x squared is x squared. That goes up top. Now multiply x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times negative x is negative x cubed. X squared times negative 5 is negative 5x squared. Subtract, change those signs. The x to the fourth cancel. Negative 5x cubed plus x cubed is negative 4x cubed. X squared plus 5x squared is 6x squared. Bring down that next term. And now we're going to divide again first with first. So negative 4x cubed divided by x squared is negative 4x. Multiply. You get negative 4x cubed plus 4x squared plus 20x. Subtract. Change those signs. Those 4x's cancel. The 20x's cancel. And 6x squared minus 4x squared is 2x squared. And then plus 0x because we have to put something in right there. We're going to bring down that last term, that negative 10. Now again, we're just going to repeat, and we're going to divide first with first. So 2x squared divided by x squared is 2. Multiply, so 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Subtract, change those signs. Those cancel. I'm left with 2x. There's nothing left to bring down. So this is our remainder. We're going to write it as a fraction over the divisor. So it's x squared minus 4x plus 2 plus 2x over x squared minus 5, or minus x minus 5. Okay, let's do this one. So here, we're missing an x cubed, which means if you're ever missing one of those terms, you have to plug in 0 where it is. So we're going to have x to the fourth plus 0x cubed minus 64x squared plus 9x minus 80. We're dividing that by x minus 8. We're going to do it the same exact way. X to the fourth divided by x is x cubed. Multiply. You get x to the fourth minus 8x cubed. Change those signs. 8x cubed. Bring down that next term. Divide again. You get 8x squared. Multiply. You get 8x cubed minus 64x squared. Subtract. Change those signs. They both cancel, so I'm just going to bring down the next term. Now we're going to divide. 9x minus x is 9. Multiply, so 9x. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times negative 8 is negative 72. And we need something to subtract that negative 72 from, so I'm going to drop down this negative 80 also. Now I'm going to subtract, change those signs. Those cancel. I'm left with negative 8. And this is our remainder, so it's plus negative 8 over x minus 8. Okay, save that last example. Remember to take the quiz, and thank you for watching.